Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Trellis and Trails Homestead. I'm Jacqueline. It is so nice out. It's like 60 degrees outside. The breeze is blowing through, and I feel like this is a great day for a spring refresh. There's a few things I need to do. I want to clean out my refrigerator and kind of just wipe all the shelves down, clean everything out, get rid of any old stuff or anything that's expired, and just give the fridge and the freezer a little refresh. I need to empty the dishwasher. I have a bunch of dishes over here to put away. I have a bunch in the sink that I need to get cleaned up. So basically, I have wrecked this entire kitchen in the last few days, and we need to clean it up. So that's what we're gonna do today. So spring refresh, clean with me. If that's something that you like to watch, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cleaning. it feels so nice to have the fridge all cleaned out and ready for new stock of stuff, all refreshed, and got rid of all the old stuff, all the old sauces and condiments and things that were expired. There were only like 4 things I had to toss, so that's actually really good. I had way too many various jars of sourdough starter discard, so I kind of combined some of those, got rid of actually several of them because I don't need them. So that was nice to be able to clear up some jars and stuff out of the fridge too. Got all the dishes done, dishwasher unloaded, reloaded. I just need to take the trash out. And I wiped all the counters and everything down really well yesterday. I'll probably do that one more time. But since it's so nice outside, we're gonna go outside for a little bit and get some fresh air and try to sit in the sun. I thought it was gonna be super windy today, but it's actually not that bad. So the cat is down here yelling at me because she wants to go outside. So we're gonna take a break from cleaning and go sit in the sun for a little while and just enjoy this spring afternoon. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.